is the venture of Unique Academy of Commerce. गणपति बप्पा मंगल मूर्ति।
Journey which I started way back, and I never know if this journey going to be so big, and I think that whole credit goes to my team, and in a personal sense, I really want to say something about it today for sure. I think I know my heart is pumping right now. The only reason is that we never arranged this kind of event earlier.